Hey guys, I am Chef Alain Lemaire and I am based in Central Florida, but I was born and raised in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. This dish means a lot to me because it is a representation of my childhood. Growing up in the Caribbean in the early 80s, 90s, there was a strict policy of whatever there is to eat in the house, you have to eat. I had to start paying attention to what my mom, my grandma, and anybody else that was cooking at the house were doing. We don't have one layer of flavor. It's a build of a flavor. When you look at history, there has been the French, the Spanish, the African, and even some Middle Eastern influences in our cuisine. When you talk about the slave trade, the spice trade, migration and everything, you can see why our food has so many different layers, because all these countries brought their own styles and their own spices and their own cuisines to our land. Haitian food is very rich, flavorful, fresh. It is the heart of what we represent, because food is not only about nutrition or nourishment for us. It is about bringing everybody together. It's a celebration. It's about life. It's about unity and strength.